In this video, I am going to show you how to get free premium Shopify themes. To get free premium Shopify themes, first open your preferred browser by left-clicking on the browser icon. In the search bar, type Envato Elements and hit enter. Click on the first link that appears. This will take you to the Envato Elements website. Here, you have a set of options that you can use: video templates, graphic templates, presentation templates, photos, and all sorts of things. To get free premium Shopify themes, simply left-click this drop box here and select the CMS templates option. Search for any premium theme. For this example, let's search for a famous Shopify theme called Broccoli. As you can see, the Broccoli premium theme is available. It is a premium theme, but you can download it. To download this, simply left-click the subscribe to download option. Now, you have to buy the subscription, which is $16 per month, to get this theme. One thing to point out is that Shopify themes cost around $40 to $50, but the Envato Element subscription is only $16.50 a month. This allows you to download as many themes as possible. Simply choose the theme you want, left-click the download option, pay $16.50, and you can have all these themes with no restrictions instead of paying $40 per theme on Shopify. There is no way to get free themes because Shopify keeps updating and blocking different solutions through which users obtain free premium themes. So, the best possible way is to simply pay for an Envato Element subscription and download as many premium themes as you want.